Do you have 2 or more models that you like to use regularly on stream using Vtube Studio? Maybe it's an updated model, or maybe it's just like a really silly model that your chat loves to redeem. There's an easy way to make sure that your channel point redeems, like head pat or nose boop or any of your favorites, work across all models that you may or may not use during any given stream. Keep watching and I'll show you how. In order for this to work, you'll need Vtube Studio and MIXITUP. I'll have both links below. I have 3 models that I like to use regularly on my stream. I have my OG model, I have a secondary model with more outfits that couldn't fit in the first, and then I also have the one my community really loves, the bunny model. Now this is one that I did purchase. It isn't a custom one. I will link the website below where I got it from. It's super cheap. So if you really like this and you want to use it on your streams, feel free to. So because this model has become a staple in my stream and something quite literally that my community begs for, even though it was less than $5. I still want to make sure that my channel points are redeemable for this model too. So let's go and set up head pat for this example. All I'll need to do is act like I'm setting up a brand new scene. So I'll go to my items by clicking the star icon and find my head pat. It's right here. I just use the one that comes free with Vtube Studio. I'll position it exactly where I like it, and then I'll go into the 3-star item scene menu. From here, all I need to do is find my head pat item scene, which is right here, and hit select. From there, what we can see is I have this option for my main model. I also have this option for my secondary model with all my extended outfits. And now I'm going to be adding it to my mini rabbit model by just making sure that it goes from red to blue by giving it a click. Once I do that, all I need to do is save. And now we can see that it was confirmed that it was added to this hotkey for this scene. I'll need to make sure that my model also is set up with the head pat hotkey. It's super simple to do. Just double click within Vtube Studio, click the gear icon, and then make sure that you're on this little director's movie maker marker, whatever that is. Here is where you can set up additional hotkeys for your model. This one I currently only have that I'm able to turn white if I'd like to. So I just click this plus button, and all I have to do is I'll give this a name, and I'll name it head pat. Select hotkey action and go down to where it says toggle item scene. From there, I'm going to select my item scene, which as we know is going to be head pat. The next step is to make sure that it's all ready to go within MIXITUP. Step 1, find your channel points within MIXITUP. Then, find your particular redeem and click this little pencil icon to edit it. Once you've navigated to your head pat editor, you'll see that I already have both models in here, both my original model and my secondary model, but now I of course want to add my bunny model into the mix. So I'm going to do the drop down and navigate to the Vtube Studio option, click the plus button over here, and we're going to select run hotkey as our action. Choose your model, which in this case is Mini Rabbit, and then the drop down. We've chosen head pat, and now just to keep things organized, I like to move it up so it's with the others. I'm gonna go ahead and click on save, and now let's test it out. It's the moment of truth. I'm nervous. Yay! We did it! We did our channel point redeems, and it works across all 3 models. I hope this was at least a little bit helpful. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. If there's anything else you want to know about or learn how to do, I might not know how, but I'll figure it out and I can make another video. So please just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck out there, VTubers. I believe in you.